Here's date and time on my iPhone 14 Pro until it recognizes my face. But today is the 12th of December of 2024, and it's also a Thursday. And right now we are standing in this open atrium here in Building B of Kishwaukee College in Malta, Illinois. As you can see, they are decorated for Christmas, because Christmas, believe it or not, is in 13 days from now. So yeah, they're also very patriotic as well, because they got the American flag hanging from those skylights up there. So yeah, that's definitely quite some nice decorations they got here. So over here is a library, and I don't know if you can see it well or not, but let's see. According to the font on that braille, they have a Dover Impulse in there. Now, I actually filmed a video of it back in October 2023. I'm not sure if I'm going to get a video of it today, but I definitely won't be filming that elevator in this video. But from the looks of it, it seems like it is still a Dover Impulse. I don't know if you can see the button or not, but yeah, it looks like it's still an Impulse. But if we walk over here, make a left here, and make a right down there, there's also another Dover Impulse. Or is it still an Impulse? Apparently this Dover Impulse was broken the last time I was here, and well, instead of fixing it, that's right, it appears as if Schindler got their hands on it. I kind of thought they would call ThyssenKrupp to modernize it, since they have ThyssenKrupp elevators in the C wing of the campus, but nope, apparently not, guys. They decided to call Schindler instead. So yeah, nowadays this has been modded by Schindler. I can tell that's the case because of that MAD indicator right there, and that COP right there. It seems to have, looks like, a MAD VS moon call button. So with that said, I guess we'll take it on a ride. So sadly, it's no longer a Dover. Wait. It's got that new chime that Schindlers with MAD buttons seem to have. It's probably a MAD chime or something. Anyways, we'll go at 2.
Second floor.
As you can see, that was quite a rough ride. Now let's go to 1. I'm gonna bet that's probably why it broke down or something. But anyways, let's get our cab view. I never got to see the cab when it was original, but you can definitely tell they redid the cab, as well as the carpet down there.
First floor.
I think the inner door frame's still original. Anyways, there's your directional lantern there. There's Big Brother right there. There's an LCD screen that MAD seems to offer, in which you can display not only the floor, but the time, the date and time, as well as a weather forecast. It looks like we're expected to get some rain throughout the weekend, leading to Monday. Kind of wish it would snow rather than rain, but it is what it is, I guess. Can't really argue against the weather. Anyways, there's your speaker for the phone. that must be where the inspection certificate's located. So then here are your buttons. There's your phone. So yeah, sadly this is no longer a Dover Impulse, which tells me that this was a DMC Dover. And in case you guys weren't aware, back in 2022, ThyssenKrupp decided that they no longer wanted to maintain Dover DMCs, given how obsolete they are, and they forced other third-party companies to do the same. So for that reason, Dover DMCs have gotten modded, or if not, in danger of getting modded, pretty much.
First floor.
It has that mad voice as well. So let's ring the bell. I guess just for the hell of it.
First floor. Going up.
You know what? I got another idea, guys. We're gonna ring the bell from upstairs. Which one go this time?
Second floor.
Actually, let's ring the... I think that was just the internal chime to ring. Yep. I guess the other chime does not ring from here. But I also noticed that the down chime, that high-low chime, that usually rings for down calls, ring for an up call. I think I heard it say going down, but I'm not sure. But I'm gonna assume you guys
First floor.
did. So yeah. Let's see. Do I want to send it up? Why not? House indicator. I'll watch it close up. Listen to that chime. So anyways, there it goes. And that'll be it with the video.